Hello, I'm Bojan Somers, part of the UX team, and I'd like to show you something that Gabor Hoichi has been working on for the Spark team. And this is part of the layout initiative, and it basically is focused on allowing you to assign different kind of layouts and block configurations to different kind of pages. So to kind of show you what we have so far, and keep in mind this is really just the bare minimum we need to get in before code freeze. So you go to structure, and in structure there's this section called templates, and these are really kind of your blank layouts, so there's no blocks in it. It's really just the column configurations. So you'd imagine there'd be either one or two columns provided by default through core, and these columns will have really nothing, right? It's just a column, so that's the one column. You can imagine Contrib providing tools to really create different regions and create different kind of column configurations, even responsive configurations. So that's templates. And then we have layouts, and layouts are really templates filled with blocks that you can select as you're creating a page. And by default, core comes with at least these two, which is the kind of the master template for all kind of front end facing pages, and the master layout for all admin facing pages. And this is kind of similar to the current blocks interface, where you just set up everything for the master. So you could edit that, and this is still a little bit bugged, but as you can imagine, you can add your blocks here. You can add your blocks to the different regions, and as this gets more finished and the APIs get in place, you can imagine clicking plus here would open up a list of blocks, and you could select which block you want to place in the layout. And then you can obviously configure your blocks, and you can change the layout by choosing a different template. So that's layouts. And then let me show you how to actually use one of these layouts to create a page. You go to content, go to landing pages, and click to add a landing page. Say I want to make a landing page for my sports section. So sports, and then sports, and I choose the layout that I want. I say 2 columns, save it, and there you go. The landing page for sports has been created. You can go to it. Since it's now still empty, I didn't place any blocks. There's no other blocks, but you can imagine the idea is that the blocks that you just selected in your 2-column layout are going to be here, and that's all. Gabor is working hard to make sure that all of these kind of APIs get in place, so we'd love to get your reviews.